Hi, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Just give me a second here. I'm not going to take up much of your time, but I just want to make sure that I'm live and that my sound is working. Just give me a second here. Okay, I can hear myself. That's a good thing. Anyways, how's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's having a great week so far. It's Wednesday afternoon here in New York State, and I was doing some work online today, some videos, a couple other things. And anyways, I've been getting this question lately, so I thought I'd come on here and share a personal story with you so that you could understand why I do the things that I do, right? So anyways, I know I have a lot of new friends on here. So if you're new, please say hi. If you're old, please say hi. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I always love to see everybody from around the world. For those of you who don't know, I was a flight attendant for years and years and years. So I've traveled all over. So a lot of times when I see people's places, it brings up all kinds of fun memories that I have of visiting those places. So I love to see where everybody's from. So say hi. If you catch me on the replay, put hashtag replay and let me know where you're tuning in from also. I'll come back and say hi to you, and I really appreciate you jumping on here. So I will check to see on my phone if I have any comments, because I can't see that on this platform, but I love this platform. It's Be Live for those of you who don't know. It's easy to use. You can use it for different things. You can do a lot of different things. I just have a basic border on here today. It grabs people's attention. You can put crawlers, you can put information, you can put little sticky notes in the corner. I have my name up here in the corner. So there's a lot you can do with it. It's fun, a fun way to make your videos stand out a little bit more, right? But anyway, that was a little side note there. So what did I come on here for today? So I've been getting this question a lot because I share a lot of explaining videos, like how-to videos of simple things, right? That most people think are simple if you've been online. However, I found out from my journey that it's these little simple things that necessarily aren't so simple and tend to hold people back. So that's why I think it's so important to share. And that's part of my philosophy online, is keeping things simple and helping people. So this is a story that I want to share with you. And it goes back to when I first came online, when I first really started working online. So for those of you who don't know, I have a back injury. I'm not going to get into all of that here. But anyways, so at the very start of my online journey, I was in network marketing. I was in a network marketing company. Okay. And there's nothing wrong with network marketing. I'm actually still in a network marketing company right now. Also, that's one of the things I do. But anyways, at that particular time in my life was when my back happened to go out really bad on me at that point, right? So I was thinking, okay, what am I going to do here? How am I going to work my business? At that time, home parties were the big thing, and doing all these events and home parties, like that was really the big thing. And some people were working online, but it wasn't like the main thing most people were doing. So I didn't really know much about it. So anyways, I'll try to keep this story short for you, but I happened to be on a call one night, and it wasn't a call that I was supposed to be on. But one of my uplines was like, oh, you should jump on this call. She knew I was having a really hard time. I could barely get off my couch. I couldn't do a lot of things. And the whole preface of this call was for more leadership positions. And they were going to go over different things about how, maybe working online more and getting more tips. And she knew that I was having a hard time in my life at that point. And so she said, why don't you jump on this call? It would be good for you. So I was extremely grateful, right, that she gave me access to this call that I wasn't supposed to have. So a lot of people didn't know I was on that call. It wasn't Zooms back then, right? Back then, it was more of that free conference call. So you were just on a call. Nobody really knew who was there, right? So it was very easy to get on. and not have anybody know that you're there. Sorry if I keep looking down. I just keep looking on my phone to see if anybody's commented or has any questions or anything like that. So on this call, one of my direct uplines brought up my name, and she was like, I don't know if you know, but Rhonda's been having a hard time, and she's been housebound and stuff like that with her injury. And this other upline farther up was not so nice. And now she didn't know I was on the call. And she basically said, well, too bad, so sad. If Rhonda wants to learn how to make money, she's just going to have to figure it out on her own. If she wants it bad enough, she'll figure it out. So I, of course, heard this because I was on the call, right? I was very taken aback because that's not something I would ever say to anybody. And anyways, it really rubbed me the wrong way. Needless to say, didn't really have a good relationship going forward there. But as I was doing my own digging, because nobody would help me, and coming across different things, so what this particular upline, was teaching everybody wasn't what she was doing. I came across different things. All of a sudden she had this going on and these giveaways and this, but she wasn't telling any of her downline about any of this, right? So I kind of felt like betrayed, and like, why wouldn't you be open about these things and help your team to learn these things also? So that is why I do what I do, because I would ask simple questions. Like, they would be like, well, just do this or just do this. I can't even think of the things necessarily now that we were doing those years back ago. Let's say it would be like, say something is, well, just post in your story 3 times a day, or post here, or post in groups, or make videos, or, you can figure it out, do this. Well, you can tell somebody to post in their story. You can tell somebody to go live. You can tell somebody to have a YouTube channel, but those are all general, right? And people don't know the little steps that it takes to get there. And now that I've been online a while, I don't want to lose sight of that. So I find that just making these little simple videos that help people out, like how to do things in your stories, how to add music to your stories, these different little tutorial videos, how to remove a background, so that you can use your picture and more graphics, how to make graphics that look good, different things like that now I've had years to practice on, but a lot of people don't even know those basics, and that's what holds people back. And something like that should not be the things that hold people back from being successful online, because they truly are little things, and a simple little video can really help somebody get over that hump or get over that fear, right? Because a lot of it is the fear that they don't know how to do it, right? So that is why I do a lot of these simple videos and tutorials. I have a lot on my YouTube channel. If you want my YouTube channel, just send me a message. I'll be happy to send that to you. And for those of you who don't know, I also started a group with my one girlfriend, and we're working it together. And we both have the same philosophies, and it's really to help people with the basics and the little things that can really help a lot and help them do more things that maybe they're just fearful of because they don't know. So if you'd like to join my group, let me know too. I'd be happy to add you into that group. We have a lot of tutorials. We do a lot of private tutorials in there also. So that is just a little bit about my why, about why I am so passionate about doing these little videos online to help others out. And it's just because at one point in time, somebody wouldn't help me, even though they were directly benefiting from me. So I hope that gives you a little bit of insight about why I'm passionate about helping others with these, little things that I say little things, right? But for somebody who doesn't know how to do them, they truly are big things. And I really understand that. So that's my short story today. I don't want to go any longer than this, so I wanted it to be a short video. So I hope this was helpful. Get to know me a little bit more about why I do what I do and Like I said, if you want any links to my YouTube channel or to, the group that we just started, just let me know. I'll be happy to share those with you. And I hope everybody has a fantastic Wednesday and have a great rest of your week. And thank you so much for watching. And I really appreciate it. So have a great day.